going on with PSP kid?
You gonna let me have a drink, Bo? Have a drink. Get out. You enjoy it, haven't you? She's getting everywhere. Hello.
Go.
I'm gonna have to get you a water bath out again, ain't we? You're not anymore. You're drinking it all, throwing it everywhere. Honey, you're soaking.
She wants more.
Come here. See how fucking wet you are. Fucking walk away from me.
Juice? She's trying to wash her face on what's over. Hang on. So she won't use her bird bath if she uses a glass of orange juice. I like how she uses her mouth to get up. Skeletal creature, aren't you? Hmm? No, you are soaking. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.